Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Sri English Journey. My name is Sri. I am from Telangana. Currently I am living in Hyderabad. Yeah, today we have to describe about the my village. The first of all, thank you so much who have subscribed to my channel. Um, maybe I will make good content in future. Then we have to describe about my village. So my my village is very small and very beautiful. My village people are 400 members are living to there only. In 400, 200 people are living in outside in the town because of some people are working government job, some people are working private job, some people are preparing the competition exams. The students will studying in some towns also. The people will not available to them. When the occasions they will go to celebrate in my village. So remaining of 200 members are living to my village. My village is very small. It's a very beautiful. I said So there is a uh, 10 or 15 streets also there. My village is the drain system is good. So water, drinking water is will be available. We have the one water tank. So every street we have the lights and somewhere also cameras also will available. So my village is people will also working very hard. So some people are doing the business, some people are like the real estate they will do only. So my village is the most of the things earning point is the agriculture is the very important in my village. So that I want to say agriculture. So first of all, my village before we don't have the roads, now we are the roads. My village we have the one school, we don't have the nowadays the schools also not working because of people will go to the town, the people go to the studying in out of the town. So that is going on. So before my village, my school is government school is working because there is the people will studying in my village. Now it's not working because of everyone depending on government schools. They want to the English medium schools, so that everyone go to the more uh, town. So that is the main thing. So even my village is the one of the temple, the Ramalam temple. The who are devotees, they go to the temple, they pray to the God. Some people are there, the Christian people also there, they will pray to the Jesus. We have maybe we have one church also. Maybe there is no masjid, so we have to respect each and everyone. We are the living beings to here. So we have to discuss about the how is living my village people. So what is the most of the people, what kind of work they are doing, the you have to explain to here only. The my village people are passionate about the agriculture. So we don't have the other options, so that I am saying to the passion about that one. So they are who are the farmer, they are working really hard. They wake up early in the morning, they go to the field. They give the water whatever they require, they will do it only. They will producing the rice, they will producing to the vegetable, they will producing to the cotton, they will producing to the sweet corns. Yeah, this is going on regular in my village people. The source of income, that is the main thing. Not only in my village, everywhere all over Telangana, most of the people they are depending on agriculture. So some people have, they get the job, they will settle in towns. Does not matter. So most of the people who is working the hard, the people will hard work in the farmer. So they're spending lot of time. The farmer will be used to the lot of tools nowadays. Before they are using the different, now they are using the tractors and other machines. The crops will be, they will check, the farmer will need to the weather and water, and they will give the sometimes water because of they need more water also. Without water we cannot do anything. Even though in my village don't have the water canals, we don't have the rivers, everyone depending on bores. So that we need to the water. So summertime it little bit getting the problem. So everyone depending on the rain season. So when the rain season, sometimes the floods will be coming. That is also little bit losing our farmers. So even my village people working really hard. So My village is very good. Each and every moment the people will together in my center point in the one of the platform is there. Everyone discussing, so how is going on crabs, how is going on our crabs, uh, how to produce the new agriculture. They will discuss to there only. It's a really good. Recently we have to recently the last 5 years we got the one gram panchayati. It's going on really for that. So I want to explain to that we are to producing to the vegetable, we are to producing to the rice, we are producing to the milk. So most of the people they're depending on they are producing the milk also. They bought the cows, they are the making the one shed. Because of they need to the work, they want to earn the money. So we cannot earn the money, we cannot live in the society. This is the main thing. So that everyone depending on agriculture, everyone depending on some milk producing centers. They have to do the work, they are spending lot of times. So most of the time the farmer will facing the labor system also. Labor come late, go to early, they will ask the more money. So depending on your work, you have to the lot of work, they will ask many questions to you only. So farmer will be compromised because of they spending lot of time, they sacrifice to last lot of time. So in this moment they won't spend the money, the crops will be waste. So that they will spend money also. They won't get the lot of profit, but they will do the work. Maybe this is the reality going on my village. So my village is really we are going to the regularly festival. Before we don't have anything, before we don't have the roads, before we don't have the anything. Now it is little bit developed. Even though right now also there is a lot of facility, hospitalities and colleges and schools, everything is there is not available to. So that's what people will go into towns. So that is the main thing. um, uh, Really I want to say my village will little bit develop, people will working hard, whatever the basic requirement, everything they will go and ask the who is the public servant, who will give the what is the basic thing they will give. So they will go and ask the people. So this is going on regularly. So we have to work together, we have to make together, we will get the profit. So I have to say my village is very beautiful. I said everything. So when you have to grow the crops, when you cultivate the land, we have to see the greenery is very naturally. There is the no crowd. We have to see in the city, lot of crowd will be there. We can the lot of pollution, lot of sound pollution, air pollution, everything is there. When you go to the village, you have to see very beautiful. You are the making just like vegetables. You have to see the vegetable like your tomatoes. You have to see naturally. The lot of peacocks will come. They eat the tomatoes. You have to see the lady fingers. You have to see the brinjal. You have to see the fruits. Everything you have to naturally. So this is going on our village life. You will get the lot of oxygen. So we have to living in Hyderabad, it didn't get the good oxygen. When you have to living in Hyderabad, when you living in a village, you will get the uh, lot of oxygen, lot of greenery. You have to see in your eyes very naturally. So in Hyderabad you have to see the lot of vehicles, lot of pollution, lot of fog, lot is going on compare with town. So I like the village people. I love my village because of the village is very good. But when we have lot of money, you have to live in there. So people, why you are going to the towns? The main thing is you have to study, you want to do some work, so that people will come to town. So people will educated, people want to do the job. The parents will be thinking my son is studying very well, so you want very well, so you want to go to the USA, you want to go to the Australia, you go to the abroad, you will go to the Europe countries, because they want to, they have studied, they want to earn money. People will be discussed, my son is studying very well, my son is doing like this, my son is studying MBBS, my son is working MCA, my son is studying MBBS. My studies, my son is got the government job, is working the police department. Someone is saying my son has got and a teacher job. The people will be delightful, they will express. So the people will like that only. There is the very few people are living they are waiting for everything is seasons. So the who are making the crops, and they who are working the field work, they need a lot of water. The my village people are depending on bore. So bore, when we dry the bore, the water will be little bit come. So when you have the very good water, they will be happy. They will so who are making the crops, they we have to give the water, so that everything is depending on water. I think maybe your living beings, everyone need to water. We have to drink the water, they clean the house, the even living the cows and ox, everyone, water is very important. So that you have to save the water, so don't waste in our water. So that's what I came in front of you. Every day I'm making many videos. I am the passion of the English language, and the passion of helping to people learn and English here only. My English channel is working. I'm speaking English fluently and confidently, so I can communicate easy with the people. I'm continuously learning and practicing English. So that's I came to here. Generally, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I came to the this is the one of the beautiful forest. So just now sun is rising. Maybe it's the I came to here. I want to whatever in my mind, I want to explore to here only. So today I remember my village, how the people living. They will be wake up in the morning. They will clean and streets. They will go to the field. They will go to the craft works. They will go, whatever they require. They clean the field also. Tractors, machine, they utilized in there only. They will producing to the I said and cotton and vegetable fruits. So we have to see in my village lot of peacocks and rabbits and different kind of birds will be you have to see there only. So this is a really good my life. So that's what I'm describe about my village. So when next time I will make the video shooting, I will express to in my village. So thank you giving me this wonderful opportunity. Have a nice day. Thank you, bro.